Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick review and demonstration of this new IK Multi Pro 2 360. Now the 360 meaning that it has a weighted tube in it so it can be used from any direction. I mainly use this for rinseless wash. You could use this for all-purpose cleaners, wheel cleaners. This is fine with alkaline chemicals. However, for acids, don't put acids in this, and don't put solvents in this. It will destroy it. IK makes specialized sprayers for those other types of products. Like I said, I normally use this for rinseless wash, and that's what I'm using it for today. Actually, I'm using DIY Details rinseless wash over here. Now I use this to kind of pre-soak the panel before going over it with the rinseless wash sponge and drying it off. Now here's some other tools of the trade. I've been using this thing for a long time. This is Rinseless. I don't know how to pronounce it. Some Chinese brand I got from Amazon years ago. Still works. Spray pattern is a little messed up now, but I mean it still works. We've also got the IK Foam Pro 2 Plus, which this can be foamed. The Pro 2 Plus I am not a big fan of because it runs out of pressure fast. It doesn't hold a lot of pressure. But I've got it. Another way of applying is just putting it in a spray bottle by hand. And IK also came out with these nifty little 360 sprayers. You can buy the bottles with the sprayers. I don't like their bottles. I think their bottles are kind of big and bulky. But they do sell the sprayers individually. And that also allows you to use spray bottles from any position. Here's the sprayer, here's what it looks like, and the weighted tube. So pretty nice. I like to use these for wheel cleaners. So I'm going to have different angles. Real quick, let's take this apart. So you can tell this is this piece is white, so that's one difference. In the box it came with this is like a fan pattern spray nozzle. I like the conical shape. I don't want the fan spray. It also has this and this to identify the chemical type. I think normally green is acid and red is alkaline, or maybe it's the other way around. I just do it just for my own personal identification, but it is neat that they include that. And opening it up, here is the weighted tube. Very flexible. It is a little chilly out here today, so you can tell it's not really affected by the weather. It can, from any angle, you can spray. And what I like about the foam, or not the Foam Pro, the Multi, is that the Multi, you don't have to worry about it running out of pressure quickly. The Multi holds pressure fine. The reason foamers run out of pressure quickly is because they're injecting air in with the foam, so a lot of that pressure is going out the air. Another tool I have for spraying rinseless on is, I got this Ryobi electric sprayer. I don't like to use this as much because it's kind of bulky, but it is nice on really big vehicles. When I'm trying to like clay bar them or something, I'll usually throw some rinseless wash in there as clay lube. And then of course I've got the big Foam Pro 12. This is my favorite foamer. This thing's huge. But it lets me foam whatever I need to foam quickly. It holds pressure well. You can also hook up with either any of these, not with this one obviously because it doesn't have the Schrader valve, but with any of these you can hook up the little portable air pump to it. Now you could probably add a Schrader valve on this. I've done the mod on some other bottles. I'm not going to because pumping this by hand is not hard and it holds pressure well, but normally you just, I'll put a link to my video down if you're interested in doing it. But you just kind of drill through the body of it and you add a Schrader valve in there and boom, then you can pressurize it that way. Let me get this filled up and give you guys a demonstration on how it works from all the different angles. Alright, so I got my bucket of rinseless wash here. So what we're going to do is pre-fill this up. If I get my dogs to shut up. Let me go shut them up. Alright, so this is a bucket of hot water. I don't have a hot water hookup for my hose. I use a immersion bucket heater to heat the water up on colder days so my hands don't freeze. So we got some hot water in here, not too hot, but you just fill it up. You don't want to fill it up to the brim. You want to leave some room for air in there so you can pressurize it. Simple as that. Got some pumps. There you go. It's pressurized. Doesn't take much. So just for demonstration's sake, we'll go ahead and spray this panel off, and I'll show you guys that this thing really is through. Alright, my camera for some reason just randomly stopped recording, so like I was trying to show you, you can spray this from any angle. Super easy. Oh my goodness. Lord, these dogs, I swear. Anyways. This is what I just showed, but I'll show it again. Legacy sponge, just to quickly wash the panel. And Armor Detail Supplies drying towel. Nice 70-30 blend. Dry the panel off. Perfect for rinseless washing. That's all there is to it, so easy demonstration of that. Let's head back over the table for the final thoughts. Alright, so the IK Multi Pro 2 360. I think it's a great addition, because I know we all hate when you start running low on product and you start to tilt it and it stiff tubes in there. And it's just not picking stuff up and you start spraying hair. It drives me crazy. So a little flexible tube in there is nice. I wish there would have included a way to retrofit existing ones. But I didn't have an existing Multi-Pro, so this is the first Multi-Pro I bought, because like I said, I was just using that one before. There probably is a way you could retrofit them, but I'll look into that some other time. Anyways, hopefully you guys all enjoyed the video, found this helpful and interesting. If you did, give it a video a thumbs up. I'll post links to everything in the description below. I've got a 10% off discount code for products from DIY Detail. I've got a 10% off discount code for a detailed image where you can buy this and this and this. I'll link that to Amazon if you're interested in that. And then these CarPro dilute bottles you have to buy from CarPro US. But that's all I got. We'll see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.